Senate election.
सेनेट के इंतखाबात.
As you know, Senate elections are happening real soon. I mean the 3rd of March. Actually, very few people know how Senate elections are conducted. But before that, let's understand the structure of government. There are 3 branches of government: executive, legislative, and judiciary. Let's stick to the legislative for a while. The Senate of Pakistan is an upper house of parliament with its 104 members elected by the members of national and provincial assemblies. The purpose of Senate was to give equal representation to all federating units since the membership of the National Assembly was based on the population of each province. Each province is allotted 23 seats, which includes 14 general seats, 4 women, 4 technical experts, including 1 religious scholar and 1 non-Muslim. Senate is not subject to dissolution like National Assembly. Each member is elected for 6 years. 50% of members retire every 3 years. This year, 52 senators are set to retire on March 11 after the completion of their tenure. However, this time there will be no polling for the 4 seats of ex-FATA due to the merger of it with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Therefore, Senate elections will occur to elect 48 senators, 12 from KPK and Balochistan, 11 from Punjab and Sindh, and 2 from Islamabad. Furthermore, in the provinces, this election will elect 7 members on general seats, 2 women and 2 technocrats. Now let's get back to the big question, how the Senate elections are conducted. First of all, Senate elections does not occur directly where people are casting votes. There is no door-to-door campaigning. Most of the campaign happens behind the cameras. We'll get back to it in a while. As in the general elections, the first past the post method is used, meaning member who gets the highest votes gets elected. However, in Senate elections, single transferable vote system is used. STV system was invented in 19th century by Thomas Wright Hill. He is also the inventor of the modern postal system. As per the STV system, each voter casts a ballot having different names of candidates on it. The voter writes a serial number opposite to the names of candidate with respect to his or her preference. For example, Rafi Zamana is the priority number 1 in the mind of a voter, and Kalimullah is the last one as indicated by the number written opposite to the name on the ballot. As these votes have a certain value, which is calculated quota by Election Commission of Pakistan through a formula. When a candidate crosses the threshold of quota by getting enough votes to get elected, his or her remaining votes with specific value are transferred to lower priority candidates. This order is specified in accordance with the rank mentioned by votes on the ballot. Candidates who receive lowest votes are eliminated from race, and their votes are also transferred to other candidates as per the preference of the voters. This transfer of votes from both successful and eliminated candidates continue till all the seats are filled. Each candidate needs a different quota to elect a senator based on their province. Projection of this election. Currently, there is a debate about Senate elections to conduct through open ballot or secret ballot. As per Constitution, the ballot is secretly cast, but the government wants to change that due to the fear of horse trading in Senate elections. It has tabled a bill in the National Assembly for constitutional amendment, which the opposition refused to support. The government of Imran Khan has also moved Supreme Court seeking guidance regarding the open ballot in Senate elections. Moreover, it has also passed an ordinance to conduct Senate elections through open ballot.
Senate इंतखाबात open ballot से होंगे या खुफिया ballot से, सुप्रीम कोर्ट पीर को राय देगी. कॉज लिस्ट जारी कर दी गई है.
According to the calculations based on the party positions in national and provincial assemblies, it is projected that PTI is expected to win 21 seats, Pakistan People's Party 6 seats, Balochistan Awami Party 6 seats, while PMLN would win 5 seats. PTI will become the single largest party in the new Senate with 28 senators, PPP with 19, PMLN with 17, and BAP with 13 senators. A little adjustment can be made with its coalition partners in Punjab and at centre. Jamiat Ulama-e-Islam JUIF and the Awami National Party have chances to win one seat each. MQM 1 seat and PMLQ 1 seat. One of the biggest criticism Senate elections face is horse trading. In secret balloting, no one knows who the voter has marked as his or her preference. This allows voters to vote for candidates other than their own party's candidates. This was also demonstrated in the vote of no confidence motion against Sadiq Sinjani, the current chairman of Senate. Hello guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and do let us know in the comment section what you think about the video.